Hey, good morning, everyone. Futures Brizio here, 8:50 a.m. on Friday, June 28th. Hope everybody's having a good morning so far. Obviously, it's still early here, and just thought I'd make a quick video on just what things are looking like this morning, and see if we might get any setups. It is Friday, and it is summer, so things do tend to peter out pretty quick on Friday afternoons here. But we'll see what we get. And we did just have a little bit of news come out. We had PCE, core PCE price in the U.S., which is a pretty big economic indicator. It didn't cause a lot of action. It just caused some whipsawing. So we'll see if that kind of shakes out and causes any trending move to start, but as of the moment, it didn't really do a whole heck of a lot. So we'll start here on gold, and you can see I have this most recent swing low marked off here, which is this, and this is down here because that's where the actual candlestick wick is. If we turn on the candles, you can see it right there, that little yellow wick. Okay, and then this is where the news came out. And you can see it popped up initially, but now it's come right back, and you can see we're painting all of these double-sided Heikin-Ashi bull candles. Okay, so with wicks on both sides. So this is just telling me there's not a lot of momentum. It looked like we were going to start going higher when that news came out, but it kind of fizzled out pretty quick, and now we're just kind of going sideways again. So at the moment, I don't really see anything to do with gold. And now let's run over to the Dow. So now, I mean, the stock market doesn't open for another 35 minutes, so I don't generally trade this anyways. Usually prior to about 10 o'clock. I usually let this go a half hour. There probably will be some price action here once at 9:30 when the market opens, just because of the PCE numbers. But you can see I have this area marked out. This was a pre-session swing low. You can see right here we put in this little lower high here, and then kept drifting, but until this is violated over here, I'm not really considering this a change of direction yet to this uptrend, which is not very impressive. It's overlapping waves and everything, but we'll see what that does. But at the moment, like I said, I don't usually trade Dow during the pre-market hours anyways. And then lastly, we have copper. And so I've marked off this as the recent swing, because it did go up and make a new high on this little swing right here. Let's put on the candlesticks for a sec, and you can see it wicked out. So we did make a new high right here, came back into the range, and you can see we're just basically moving sideways once again. I think this wants to try to go higher, but it's not having a heck of a lot of luck doing that right now. Although we do have this flat bottom Heikin-Ashi candle forming as we talk here. But again, if we look at the underlying candlesticks, there's not really much going on. It's not really going anywhere. Here's the body of that candle trying to form here, but you can see it's still well within this range. But this one's about the closest to potentially still having some momentum to the upside. If we jump out a little bit and look at this on the higher time frame, this is a 20-minute. You can see there's still some room to run if looking left here on the chart to where price might end up going. And so we'll see. But like I said, at the moment, nothing with that I would do with gold. Nothing I would in the Dow. Like I said, the market's not open. The U.S. stock market hasn't opened yet, and at least I don't trade this asset prior to that. So we'll see if we get any setups today, and if so, we'll come back later and put those on, and perhaps try to do a wrap-up video later on this afternoon. So, all right, guys, so we'll leave it there. Questions, comments, please leave them below. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell notification if you're just finding it, and that's it. I hope you guys have a good morning, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, thanks.